Today we will be demoing Akool's image to video generation. The first step is to identify a starting image. You can either do this by dragging and dropping, choosing a file off of your hard drive, or choosing from an existing material history. If you decide to start from scratch, there is a Start Over button. Once your image is uploaded, you'll move to the left side of your screen where you can fill in your prompt. Providing a prompt is optional. Akool has a default prompt. It's great to also include what kind of camera movement you want, what kind of framing or specific lighting you want, any kind of movement you want the objects in the photo to do, and any adjectives to describe the type of movement, such as fast or slow, and the tone and aesthetic you're creating. For example, in my prompt, I've carefully described how I want my apple to be cut. If you're not exactly sure the specifics of your prompt, that's okay. The program automatically helps make a more detailed internal prompt. However, if you have something as detailed as the prompt shown, you would want to use your exact prompt. You can easily disable this by selecting the Use Exact Prompt. Negative prompt allows you to control features that should not show in the final image. There are a range of default prompts. This is so our final product is realistic. Finally, you're going to want to select the level of quality you want your video to be. Each video result is 5 seconds long. Creating a video in 720 pixels costs 20 credits, and 1080 pixels costs 25 credits, and 4K costs 30 credits. For new users, you get free credits to experiment with the platform. However, your result will have a watermark at the end. When your video is finished creating, you can click on it to preview your video result. There's an option to copy the prompt in case you want to recreate or modify your image. There's an option to download, an option to share. You can delete your video. You can change your preview speed. You can preview picture-in-picture. And most importantly, you can post to our collaborative content resource bank. If someone decides they want to modify or add on to your image, then you will earn 2 credits for each recreation. When I'm generating my custom description, I can use a built-in refined description to make my description more interesting. When I share, my video will pass through an inspection and show up on my profile.